It was not a miracle that took place. Ripple itself is the target of the SEC. This is not a serious matter. Even though there was a lot of buzz about the trial coming to an end in the beginning of September, the plans have changed. Isn't it a rather tragic situation? However, the specialists are not afraid. They see a tremendous amount of promise. They are of the opinion that the price of XRP+ripple could escalate to levels that have never been seen before. So don't be in a hurry to get worried. In order to get things in order, let's take a closer look at it. I hereby defer. Ripple Labs and the securities. An exchange commission have been engaged in a protracted and winding legal battle for quite some time now. Recent developments indicate that this story may continue for a number of more years than originally anticipated. Ripple Labs has recently submitted a plea to request that the court postpone the payment of $125 million that was ordered by the court just 1 month ago. This request was granted by the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC), and the money were placed in escrow at a rate equal to 111% of the total judgment amount. Each side will have sufficient time to prepare for any appeals that may be filed. Moreover, the funds will not be touched for a period of at least 30 days following the conclusion of the 60-day appeal window. Attorney Fred Rispoli, who is a well-known figure in the XRP community, has provided a word of reassurance in response to this scenario. Recently, Rispoli made a post on X in which he stated that investors should not be very concerned about the possibility of an appeal to the SEC. A definitive decision in the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit is not expected to be handed out until the year 2026, as stated by him, meaning that the process of appealing any decision will take years to complete. Moreover, he argued that even if the SEC does decide to appeal, it is highly unlikely that it will have a significant impact on the price of XRP. This is because the concentration of the regulatory body has turned toward other cryptocurrency platforms and tokens. This change in the strategy employed by the SEC is significant. Rispoli brought to our attention that the Commission has been quite active in its pursuit of cryptocurrency exchanges and the classification of other digital assets as securities. This may indicate that the SEC is no longer focusing its attention on XRP and Ripple as its primary targets. It is possible that this does not mean that Ripple will no longer face legal issues. Nevertheless, it may indicate that the stakes for XRP are lower than what was previously expected. Although there is a lot of uncertainty around the case, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse continues to maintain an optimistic outlook. When Garlinghouse was speaking at Korea Blockchain Week 2024, he minimized concerns about the possibility of an appeal and expressed confidence that the crucial verdict that confirmed that XRP is not a security will be upheld. The tranquility that Garlinghouse maintains in the midst of the storm provides investors and crypto enthusiasts with a tone that is soothing. His assurance appears to be well-founded given that Ripple is continuing to broaden its service offerings around the globe, with XRP playing an essential part in international financial transactions and liquidity. There have been a variety of responses from members of the XRP community in response to Rispoli's balanced perspective. Some people have a cautious, upbeat attitude. Other people have expressed their frustration, stating that they believe that small legal modifications frequently cause unneeded alarm, while others have acknowledged the lengthy timetable for a final ruling. A number of highs and lows have been experienced by the XRP community and the legal battles that have taken place. Frequently give rise to spectacular reactions. However, there is a core group of believers who continue to have faith in Ripple's long-term success and in the potential for XRP to flourish as its adoption rate increases. One such believer is the user Ripple Mythos. In all honesty, the question that has to be answered is whether or not the price of XRP will accurately reflect its expanding use in the global economy, particularly in international transactions. Ripple's collaborations and technological advancements continue to grow, despite the fact that legal clouds are gathering in the background. In the past, Garlinghouse made the observation that ... this is not a sprint, the race is a marathon. The marathon appears to be a long way from being over. Experts are sure that the potential of XRP has not yet been completely realized, despite the ongoing legal challenges that are taking place. It is possible that this is the beginning of a huge breakout, according to some people. Imagine that you are a part of the action and that XRP is rapidly climbing past its all-time highs. Stay still, since this is the moment that you simply cannot afford to lose out on right now. A future move by XRP might completely alter everything. Consequently, the excitement surrounding XRP has increased once more, and this time it is being fueled by a bold prediction made by a prominent market analyst named Omonix at this moment. What is his claim? During the current market cycle, XRP will not only reach $10, but it will also continue to rocket over $50. In light of the fact that he previously stated that there is nothing you can do about it, he is so optimistic about this. Some people who possess XRP are looking for this kind of confidence because it is exactly what they require in order to increase their investments. Skepticism is evoked in the minds of others. In any case, forecasts of a similar nature have been made in the past. Almanix's conviction is based on what he refers to as the possibility of a God candle forming on the weekly chart of XRP. According to his analysis, the technical conditions are lining up nicely for a breakout, and this candle has the potential to send the digital asset soaring to new heights. His reasoning is that XRP has been consolidating for such a long time that it is due for an explosive move upward, and when that move occurs, it could be both rapid and big. And although Lemanix is not the first person to forecast enormous gains for XRP, the fact that he has proposed a price objective of $50 has rekindled the debate that has been going on inside the cryptocurrency community. Is it possible for XRP to reach such heights? There are some longtime holders who are thrilled about the possibility, impatiently waiting for a reward for their perseverance. Jack the Rippler, a well-known figure in the XRP community, recently tweeted, "Hit that like button if you hold XRP until $100," and beyond. This tweet demonstrates that believers continue to have a high level of conviction in the cryptocurrency. Nevertheless, not everyone is persuaded by this. People who are critical on social media have been quick to point out that similar claims have been made in the past but have not been proven to be true. While one person made a joke about how accurate these forecasts have been, another user pointed out that XRP has been trading at approximately 55 cents since 2018. This raises the question of how reasonable it would be to expect such a significant price increase in such a short amount of time. One could argue that the skepticism is justified. The price of XRP has remained essentially unchanged, and many market observers think that broader economic variables, like as the conditions of the global market and the hurdles posed by regulatory authorities, could continue to stifle the asset's potential for growth. Despite this, Amonix continues to be unaffected. The $50 level has been stated by him as being predetermined, and he has insisted that the breakout of XRP is a matter of when rather than if. Whether or not this time is different is the question that still has to be answered. The continued growth of Ripple's use case for XRP, as well as cross-border payments and liquidity management, has the potential to boost acceptance in the real world, and this utility may help fuel a price surge. The lofty goals that Amonix has set for itself might not appear to be as far-fetched after all if XRP is able to demonstrate that it is vital in the financial ecosystem. Moreover, the enthusiasm does not continue after that, in spite of the fact that the SEC case is still proceeding in the background. Ripple's relationships are heating up. There is a clear indication that something significant is on the horizon, since major firms are demonstrating a serious interest in XRP. You won't want to miss what's about to happen next, I assure you of that. It's possible that this is the shift in the game that we've all been waiting for. In a recent tweet, Crypto Barbie, a prominent figure in the cryptocurrency industry, mentioned that Apple is implementing a new technology that enables users to send money with just a tap. Additionally, it is said to be tied to the interledger protocol that Ripple uses. According to her, XRP is on the verge of overtaking the entire planet. The ramifications are extremely significant if this connection is found to be accurate. The combination of Apple's technology with that of Ripple has the potential to propel XRP into widespread usage, thereby establishing it as a leading alternative for frictionless worldwide funds transfers. Just simply tapping their phones, millions of individuals could begin utilizing XRP without even being aware that they were doing so. Simply imagine the potential. Then there is the shocking revelation that came from Amonix, an additional voice that is significant within the XRP community. The tweet he sent was brief, but it was packed with excitement. JP Morgan is a trusted partner of XRP. You are about to embark on an exciting journey. Are you ready? The fact that Ripple has